Hey, what up, my cruisers? This is AZ Cruiser, and today is another good day. So bless up, because today we're getting new tires on my rig. So stay tuned. We're going up from 31s to 34s. Alright, before we go to the store, I'm going to show y'all how to order the tires on Amazon. So first thing is, when you find the tire you want, see, I picked these BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires. I believe they're 295 75 16s. I've been running BF Goodriches on my Land Cruiser for like 3 years now, so haven't had any issues. I had a nail before and it didn't even puncture all the way through. So I mean, I trust the tire, trust the brand. It's going for around $224, I guess, a tire on Amazon. So see, it tells you, when if it's in stock or not, and there's various tires you can choose from. I just like BF Goodrich KO2. So I mean, if you like Toyos, you can go Toyos. They got Yokohamas on here. I believe they have Falcons, Wide Peaks as well. They're pretty popular. So yeah, you can see them on there. Different tires you can choose from, different sizes. And then yeah, if you want them delivered to your house, you can do that. Or if you want them installed, you're gonna click on select service provider, which I did right there. And then here you can see the different shops you can take it to in your area. I live in Phoenix, so these are all the shops for like Pep Boys, Sun Devil, Wilhelm, I think. So like 3 different chains you can take it to, I guess. I don't know, it's probably different in your area. So then here, let's just click Pep Boys Glendale for this. And then you're gonna add to cart. We're gonna do 4 tires. So we're gonna add that. And then you'll see it on your cart, the price total, including the service. It's like $80. And proceed. Then here you can select the date that you want them installed by the service provider. So let's do that. And you can see right there all the details. And we're gonna do, you can go up to, see like it's April, May, June. You can do like 2 months in advance if you wanted to. So we're just gonna pick one of these dates. Go with that one. I'm gonna do like 2 in the morning. You can set your preference to like first preference, second, third. So just do 2 in the morning, and then we'll do 1 in the afternoon. Then you're gonna click confirm. And here you got your payment methods. And just select one. And we're gonna just click continue. So I ended up waiting for like an hour in the waiting room, and then they decided to give me Uber because it was like an hour already and they still couldn't balance the tire. I guess they needed to put too many weights, so they needed to send it to another store which had a proper balancing machine, I guess. That's what the guy told me. So they gave me complimentary Uber to go home, and they sent me Uber to come back, so that was pretty cool. But still, yeah, it took a while. So I mean, I guess you could do some research on the store you take it to, but I mean, as long as you have like a standard car, not like a 4-wheel drive car like mine with bigger tires, I don't think they'll have a problem balancing your tire. But if you have like a bigger car like mine, like a SUV or a truck, they might have some issues depending on what store you take it to, so just keep that in mind.
5 hours later.
So here you can see the side-by-side comparison. On the left is before I got the new tires, the 31-inch tires on the left, 34s on the right. I could fit, like, for reference, 2 of those energy drinks on the back tire and like probably like 1.5 fit in the front. And then here you can see you can only put like one in between the tire and the wheel well on that side, on the back with the 34s on. So it dramatically changed the look, I think. It's less wheel gap. Oh yeah. I'm like new rubber. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe.